Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about MBA Finance Management Specialization, which is a very boosting and very important, and I tell you, highest paid jobs are available in MBA Finance. So today we are going to discuss on my channel about each and every description, that what type of subjects you are going to take and how you can become the best in financial management. So welcome to my channel, Career Talks with Deepa. So let us discuss about that what is MBA Financial Management and why we should take it, what type of role we are going to have in this. So first of all, we must understand that in this we are going to be a financial planner. The roles which we can play and what type of work you have to do is that you have to analyze the financial reports, you have to see the economic trends, you can find out the stock values, then risk and profitability of the organization which you are working, then investment portfolio, and also about taxation processes. The next we are going to talk about the eligibility criteria, that who can do MBA Finance. I want to tell you, my friends, that a person who is eligible for MBA is eligible for MBA Finance also. So if you have more than 50% in your UG program, any of the UG program, you are eligible for MBA Finance. But here you have to take care of that you should have good accounting abilities. You should be good in number countings and all. I think BSc people or people belonging to science background can also opt for it, because I have seen people saying that people who have accounting background should opt for it, but it is not necessary. Anybody who is interested in financial analysis can go for MBA Finance. Then you can go for some entrance exams like CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT, and some universities are also running their own entrance exams. You can go for it. Then next we are discussing about the subjects which you have to study in financial management. We have corporate finance, international finance, working capital management, tax planning management, Indian financial system, some banking and insurance management subjects are also there. Then you have investment analysis, portfolio management. These are the basic subjects which you have to opt in financial management, and according to the university, some difference can be there. Then the next we are going to discuss about the job positions. Now this is a very important factor to be discussed, and here you must see that what type of job and roles you are interested in. I am going to give you each and every duty and responsibility of these job positions in the description box. You can read them, go through them, and then you can find out which type of job you want to do, what are your capabilities to do, and which are the highest paid packages. That also I'm going to mention in the description box, so you can see that also and decide what your future will be. Now here I want to mention that everybody does not have the capability to hold such high positions. So what we have to do for that? Because MBA Finance done from a mediocre college also can have high positions with high packages. So here we have to enhance our skills. So how we are going to do it? That I'm going to show it now. Now these are first of all, I'm going to tell you about the top recruiters. So now when you will see the companies, you will be very much attracted towards it, because these are the companies which you are going to work in after MBA Finance, and these companies are paying very, very well packages. You can see on internet, Google, search for it and find out that. You can go to Goldman Sachs, you can go to JP Morgan, Barclays. These are very top type of top recruiters, as I'm saying, and this will help you out in shaping your future in the best of manner. Now, these are the skill enhancement courses which are available online as well as offline. Now, here you have to see that which one you want to do. And for that, I have already told you, my friends, that first of all, you have to decide what type of job you are going to do, what capabilities you have, and according to that, go upgrade and scales in which you can do your best. Now, some of the courses I have jotted down, and these courses you can find out in Coursera, or you can find out in Udemy or any other source available. And please see that what type of courses are from the reviews which are given around, and you can also find out about the course. The videos are already given. From there you can find out which type of course you want to do. Now here I want to tell you, if you want to do something good in finance, then you must have the basic knowledge of Excel, Tally and GST process also. This is the basic one I think you should do in your graduation level only. And after that you can do many courses in financial modeling. You can become financial analyst, portfolio management, financial planners. Certification courses are very important and they are getting very popular. Then stock courses are there. Then you have corporate finance for business managers. Then you have financial wealth management courses are also available. So these are some of the courses I have jotted down. I have seen, analyzed it. You can go exactly for these words. You will find it on internet in different courses, and you can go for it and enhance your skills. So I think that this is a preliminary you can have for MBA Finance, and this will help you out a lot in making your career. So best of luck for your future. Thank you so much. And if you like it, then you can subscribe my channel also. Okay, bye-bye from Dr. Deepa Katyal. Thank you. Bye-bye.